Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the best application to delete duplicate photos on your iPhones. A lot of people have lots of duplicate photos. I know on the iPhone X is like a lot of random screenshots and stuff like that. So this application will help you guys by deleting all those, so you don't have to go through and delete everyone individually. It doesn't cost any extra money, and there's no weird downloads. It's actually available on the App Store. A lot of the applications I find as well cost like a subscription or anything like that to download or delete photos. So this one's totally free. All you have to do is head over to the App Store, and you just want to search for Duckling Cleaner like I have here. Once you find it, it just looks like this. Just click on download. Now, once you open the application for the first time, you'll notice sometimes that there's either ads or it asks you to allow access to your photos. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and allow access to your photos. I've already done that here, but once you allow access, it's just going to load and look through your storage, and then you'll see this screen right here showing these two toggles. Now all you want to do is you want to click on and swipe down on the toggle that you want. So I'm going to go on the clean photos option, and then it'll take a second to scan all your photos. So we'll just give this a couple seconds to scan through mine. Once it scans through, it's going to show you a lot of duplicate photos or photos that are very similar to save you space. So that's what it'll show you right here at first. You could select all at the top right if you would like to. And also at the top, you'll notice it has option for screenshots and it has options for burst and videos as well if there's any duplicate videos. So there's lots of options on this application, and it's completely free and just on your App Store. I hope I was able to help you guys out with giving you another option to delete your duplicate photos. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.